Say it's gonna rain, that's why I'm hoping you'll hold me tight.